Hello student, I hope you all are happy and enjoying the mathematics. Today we will discuss miscellaneous exercise chapter 5, question number 1. This is basic question y equal to 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 9. I will apply this formula d upon dx of x to the power n equal to nx to the power n minus 1. Right? Okay, there are two functions. First one is power, second one is algebraic equation. So I will differentiate it twice. Now dy by dx equal to 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 9 minus 1, that is 8, into d upon dx of 3x square minus 9x plus 5 equal to 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 8 into differentiation of 3x square 6x minus 9. Now the question number second, y equal to x sine cube x plus cos to the power 6x, therefore dy by dx equal to d upon dx of sine cube x plus d upon dx of cos to the power 6x. Differentiation of sine cube x 3 sine square x and differentiation of sine x will be cos x plus differentiation of cos to the power 6x 6 cos to the power 5x into differentiation of cos x by the chain rule, it will be minus sine x. Now 3 sine square x cos x into minus 6 sine x into cos to the power 5x. This is required answer. Now come to the question number third. Y equal to variable to the power variable. Means variable to the power variable, we cannot solve like that. D upon dx of variable to the power variable equal to variable into variable to the power variable minus 1. This is wrong. Totally wrong. Okay, how you will solve this problem? Let us see. We will take the log on both the side. Log y equal to 3 cos 2x log 5x. Now I will solve this problem by the help of product rule. Let us suppose this is first function, this is second function. Differentiating both the side. Differentiation of log y, because there are two functions. First is log, second is y. So differentiation of log y equal to 1 upon y dy by dx. And first function differentiation of second one plus second function differentiation of first one. 3 cos 2x into 1 upon differentiation of log 5x, 1 upon 5x, and differentiation of 5x is 5 plus log 5x into differentiation of 3 cos 2x equal to minus 3 sin 2x and differentiation of 2x further 2. After simplifying, we will get 3 cos 2x upon x minus 6 log 5x into sine 2x. It's the required answer. Now come to the question number 5. Y equal to cos inverse x by 2 upon square root of 2x plus 7. We can write like as cos inverse x upon 2 into 2x plus 7 whole power minus 1 by 2. I will solve by the help of product rule. Let us suppose this is first function, this is second function, therefore dy by dx equal to first function differentiation of second one plus second function differentiation of first one. Cos inverse x upon 2 into differentiation of this one will be by the formula of d upon dx of x to the power n minus 1 upon 2 2x plus 7 to the power minus 3 upon 2 into further differentiation of 2x plus 7 will be 2 plus 2x plus 7 whole power minus 1 by 2 into differentiation of cos inverse x upon 2 will be minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x upon 2 whole square into differentiation of x upon 2 will be 1 upon 2. Okay, now minus cos inverse x upon 2 into 2x plus 7 whole power minus 3 upon 2 and plus into minus 2x plus 7 whole power minus 1 upon 2 upon 2 into square root of 1 minus x square upon 4. It's required answer. Now question number 6, which is very important for exam point of view as well as y equal to cot inverse or square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x upon square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x. Right? At first I will simplify this problem by the help of trigonometry. Okay, in place of 1 I can write cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 like as this and this and this. Right? Now I will apply the formula of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. Okay, by help of this I will get the result cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, cos x by 2 cos x by 2 will be cancelled. You will get y equal to cot inverse twice cos x by 2 upon twice sin x by 2. 2 to cancel, cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2, cot x by 2, cot inverse cot will be cancelled. You will get x by 2. Now the differentiation of differentiation of y equal to x by 2 will be dy by dx equal to d upon dx by x upon 2. Since 1 upon 2 is a constant, so it will be moved out from the bracket and you will differentiate only the variable x. Now after differentiating you will get 1 by 2. It's the required answer. Now come to the question number 7. Y equal to log x to the power log x. Means the form is like as previous question, variable to the power variable. So you will take the log, because log will simplify the problem. Log y equal to log x log x. Now the first function is log x, second function is log x. So differentiating both the side, differentiation of log y will be 1 upon y dy by dx, and first function log x, differentiation of second function d upon dx of log x plus second function log x into d upon dx of log x. Now the 1 upon y dy by dx equal to log x into differentiation of log x. At first you will differentiate this log. The differentiation of this log will be 1 upon log x, and differentiation of log x further will be 1 upon x, plus log x into differentiation of log x will be 1 upon x. Log x will be cancelled and you will cross multiply by the y, and finally you will get the result y equal to 1 plus log x upon x. I hope you will understand this, and rest 4 questions are assignment work for you. I hope you will solve these questions. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.